Alright, everybody, we're gonna be breaking down GBPJPY. Let's get this done real quick, simple and easy. We're on the 4-hour time frame. We're gonna drop down to 30 minutes. Alright, let's start off with over here. Alright, so we got a high, low, high. Market showing bullish signs, right? So we see that we have rejection right here. Click it, round it up to the nearest whole number. 200. Okay, simple, easy. All right, we got more data right here. Price came, touched right here, rejected, came bullish again. If I had all this data right here, I would be taking trade right here. This is one. So you got one. All right, now you're right here, right? So you can use quarter theory. You can put it at 225 as well. Price touches to T right here. All right, price touches to T right here. That's your entry. Price touch to T right here also. That's another entry. All right, so right here, this is the one time the market didn't do what you wanted it to do, but obviously you'll know how to get out your trade. Why? All right, let's say you entered, right? All right, let's say you entered, market went completely in the wrong direction. You know, get out your trade if the market goes completely in the wrong direction. Save your capital. Even though the market ended up going in the correct direction, doesn't happen every single time. Price came right here and it broke through. All right, so now the market's bullish, right? Back on the 30 minutes, the market is bullish. All right here. Let me explain this one right here. Why are you gonna be taking sales here again? Why? Obviously, you see you got your floor right here. Floor, right? You got your floor. All right, so all you're gonna do is wait for price to break. Price right here broke all these previous structures, so it's obviously telling me that we're only gonna be looking for sales. So I come right here. This could have been my sell. All right, I missed that entry right here. Okay, I got my second entry right there. All right, I missed that entry. I got my third entry right here. And now y'all want to know where am I going to be selling? Where am I going to be taking my profit, right? All right, just quick and easy. Look for your floor. You look for your floor right here. You got rejection, price broke through. You got the candlestick sitting on top now. So all you do is click it, round it to the nearest whole number, 900. All right, real quick and easy, right here. This one obviously didn't, but you can still see that you got support right here. You got resistance, then it's your support. I think that would have been a good place to probably sell. And the price broke structure right here again going up. That's a big indicator. Just get out your trade, collect your money. Okay, you did it there. All right, right here, you're gonna take a profit at 900. Right here, you're gonna take a profit at 900. Take profit. It hit it so many times. It hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. All right, now we're in a new area in the market, right? This is all market's been doing for today. All right, so let's look at what's going on right now. You can clearly see we have some type of floor and a roof right here, right? You got your floor. You got your roof. What price is that? Double click, put it to 100, round it to the nearest whole number. Okay. So if you have all this data, you know this is your floor. You could easily took some sales right here. Could took some sales right here. And some sales right here. Price touched. Right here. This will be your next entry if you missed it. Where are you gonna sell? To your previous floor. You remember that 900 we did over here? Right there. Let's take profit. Take profit. And that would be your next entry right there. Day trading is real simple and easy when you understand how to day trade. So just picture this, guys. Picture this in your head. Who do you think's right here? I could tell you. I could tell you who's right here. The banks. The banks are right here. This is where the banks are at. The banks control the market. We don't control the market. We don't make the market go up or down with our thousands of dollars. The people making the market move up and down are the banks putting in millions and billions of dollars into the market every single day. If we go on the 4-hour chart, all we can see is prices doing this. Failed to create a higher high, broke structure to the downside, coming back down for the retest down here.